Welcome to Team Write. I'm Coach Wright. Not right like right and wrong, but W-R-I-T-E. Writing is important to learn and can be fun with a team effort. We need you to join the team. I would love to be your coach. As a member of Team Write, you will gain important tools for writing and telling a story. Writing is everywhere. Just look around and you will see writing on the street, in the hallways, at the grocery store, in your classroom, and of course, in books. Let's have some fun learning and writing together. Are we ready? On the count of 3, shout Team Write. 1, 2, 3, Team Write. We will learn how to write to inform. Today, we're going to learn about informational writing. Informational writing is writing that gives someone information. Writing facts and details can help your reader understand the information. Facts are something you can prove to be true. Details are a single piece of information. For example, basketballs are round. We can prove this by looking at a basketball shape. So writing basketballs are round is a fact. A detail is a single piece of information, such as the basketball has tiny bumps on it that help players grip the ball. Informational writing is the main way we communicate with each other. We are surrounded by informational print, such as street signs and store signs. We may use informational writing to share new information in a newsletter, report, nonfiction book, or article. Sometimes you may already know about the topic you want to inform others about, such as I already know a lot about basketball, so I can write about it easily. Other times you may need to read and learn more about the topic before you can write about it. For instance, if I were going to write a report about sloths, I would have to research and read about sloths to gather facts and details I could write in my report. Whenever you write informationally, you include facts and details. Informational writing is used in instructions, like in a recipe or an invitation to a birthday party. I'm planning a celebration party for the basketball team at the end of the season. I need to write an informational invitation. What do the players need to know? Who is invited? What are we celebrating? Where will the celebration be? What day is the celebration? What time is the celebration? Details of what will happen at the party. Who is invited? The Blue Dribblers. What are we celebrating? The end of the basketball season. They're going to need to know where the party is. I'll put Hometown Park in the where section. It would be silly if we didn't let them know the day and time of the celebration. The celebration will be on Saturday at the end of the season, starting at 3 o'clock. I want the players to know that we will have cake, balloons, games, and prizes. It's going to be a fun time. An invitation to a celebration is an example of informational writing. The invitation gives facts and details about the celebration, including the 5 W's: who, what, where, why, and when. The details of the celebration are facts, or at least for right now, unless something changes. There could be bad weather, or some of the players get sick. I'll have to write new information with new facts and details. For another example of informational writing, let's head to the Coach Wright kitchen. For the Team Wright celebration party, I found a recipe for a tasty cake. Recipes are an informational list of ingredients and steps to make something. Let's see. 1 cup of water. Perfect. 2 cups of flour. Maybe I should stick with coaching and leave the baking to the experts. You know, sometimes informational writing can be directions, like the directions to drive to a bakery where I can pick up a cake. Here is the Team Write replay. Informational writing is the main way we communicate with each other when writing. Informational writing is writing that gives information to someone. You write facts and details to help your reader understand the information. You may use informational writing to share new information or explain a process. Good job, Team Write! We have learned how to write to inform. I hope you had fun like I did. If you did, on the count of 3, shout Team Write. 1, 2, 3. Team Write!